Hello students, in the last class we have discussed about the fraction, what is fraction and definition of fraction. Today we are going to discuss about identifying unit fractions and non-unit fractions. So first one, unit fraction. A unit fraction names one of the equal parts of a whole. That means we know in a fraction two parts are there, one is numerator and other one is denominator. So numerator, if numerator is 1, that is a unit fraction. Out of the total part, if one part is added, that is the unit fraction. We call the fraction that is unit fraction. So an example is 1 by 3. 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. In this circle, three equal parts are there. Out of the 3 equal parts, one part is added. So this is the example of an unit fraction. Next, a non-unit fraction. If the numerator part is more than 1, that is the non-unit fraction. A non-unit fraction names more than one equal part of a whole. In this rectangle, 4 parts are there. Out of the 4 parts, 3 parts are added. So this is an example of non-unit fraction. If, always remember, if the numerator is more than 1, other than 1, that is a non-unit fraction. If the numerator is 1, that is a unit fraction. Next one, types of fractions. So first one, like fractions. If the fractions having the same denominator are called like fractions. An example is 1 by 5 and 3 by 5 both have 5 as denominator. As denominator, because 5 is equal, it's same in both the fractions, in 1 by 5 as well as in 3 by 5. That's why we can say they are like fractions. And if the denominators are same, we call that is they are like fractions. Next one, unlike fractions. If the fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 1 by 5, 1 by 4, 1 by 11, 1 by 23. In these fractions, 5, 4, 11, 23 are denominators and 5, 4, 11 and 23 are not same. So they are unlike fractions. Okay. In the previous class, we have left some questions to solve. Third one, in your warm-up, write the fraction for each of the following. 1/5, that means 1 is the numerator and 5th is the denominator. So for this number name, fraction is 1 by 5. Similarly, for 2/5, 2 is the numerator and 5th is the denominator. For 3/8, 3 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. For 1/4, 1 is the numerator, quarter means 4, so 4 is the denominator. If number name are given, fraction we can write like that. Next one, write the number name for each of the following fractions. Fraction is given, so I have to write the number name in this way. 1 by 3, that is 1/3. For 2 by 5, 2/5. For 3 by 4, 3/4. For 3 by 6, 3/4 or 3/4 also we can write. For 3 by 6, 3/6. In this way we can write. Next one, question number 5. Write the numerator and denominator. We know the upper one is the numerator and lower one is the denominator. So in this case, 7 by 8, 7 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. In this case, 2 is the numerator because it is situated on the upper one, and this is the 5 is the denominator. In this way, you have to solve other two. Okay, thank you.